Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing America's best value in Goodlettsville. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, non-smoking rooms, free Wi-Fi and a free parking. This Goodlettsville, Tennessee hotel offers an outdoor pool, on-site laundry facilities and a daily continental breakfast. All rooms include free Wi-Fi. Nashville City Center and the Country Music Hall of Fame are 13 miles away. The simply furnished rooms include a microwave, fridge and cable TV with HBO movie channels. A work desk is also provided. Select rooms at Goodlettsville, America's best value inn, have a spacious sitting area. The hotel offers tours to downtown Nashville on site and can be booked at the reception. Meeting facilities are also available. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.